Hey, Dr. John Thompson for extraktLAB. Today I'm going to be talking about where does delta-8 THC come from? Where does it come from? Do you get it from a plant? Does it come from CBD? Does it come from CBG? Where can I get delta-8 and is it natural product? We're going to be talking all about that today. So let's get into it. A lot of people wonder, is delta-8 a natural product? If I were looking at it, judge and jury, and I had all those powers at my fingertips, I'd say no. It's really not. It can be derived from a natural product. And when I say it's not natural, I mean it's highly processed. Okay, so that's what I really mean by that. So CBD, for example, if you get it from hemp, the hemp is going to be produced into CBD, and then the CBD is going to be converted over to delta-8. If that's the progression that you're using, you certainly can have a lot of the plant material in the background, and I think that plant material is pretty natural. But you're doing a lot of processing to it, so just keep that in mind. A lot of people use isolate, CBD isolate, and then they use that to convert delta-8. And when you do that, really you're not maintaining any of the beautiful terpenes or the entourage effect or any of the plant matter. None of that is in that isolate to start off with, so that definitely is not a very natural product, okay? Well, what's the big deal then with delta-8? Well, delta-8 can be derived from a hemp CBD, and because of that, they are using it in formulations for hemp-based products. Unlike CBD, which has no psychoactive effect at all, delta-8 has a psychoactive effect. So if you add delta-8 and CBD together, you're going to have more of a mellowing effect. And some people, if they purify the delta-8 quite a bit, you got to be careful because it has less of a mellowing effect and more of an astringent effect. It's not, probably a lot of people don't prefer very high dosages of the delta-8s. You should take a look at some of the products that are out there. You can find vapors, you can find gummy bears, you can find all kinds of products based on delta-8. There's just some things that you need to be watchful when you buy those products. I'm not going to talk about those now, but I will in some subsequent videos. Make sure you like us on Facebook, go to our Instagram. We have tons of content on there, on our website as well. We have videos, we have interactive content, we have quizzes, we have calculators, and we've written all kinds of guides, all for you guys so that you guys can learn about this exciting industry. That's really what delta-8 is. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, Dr. John Thompson for extraktLAB. Be well and take care.